Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be me trying out the hottest new trend in makeup and beauty, like Instagram and YouTube, which is doing the contour underneath your foundation. Now this trend I'm super excited for because I've never really heard of this being done before, but I was watching Bretman Rock, who happens to be the most fabulous person on this earth to me. A little conceited, but whatever. And he tried out this technique, and he actually gave the credit to someone else who I don't remember, but I will link both of those channels down below so you can check those out for yourself. And yeah, I am super excited to try this. Let's get started. So I have already prepped my skin, and I'm using the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Okay, I'll go a little bit more. And I kind of want to use a lot of this, mainly because since we're going to be doing this underneath our foundation, we want this to be super strong so that this actually shows up underneath the foundation. And also, so I think you shouldn't really use a full coverage foundation for this, just because you want what's underneath to show a little bit. Let's do this because I want my lips to appear more pouty. Let's do a little bit here, and a little bit here. I have a huge forehead that I like to cover up. Now, even if this technique does work out, I can already tell you that this will not be like an everyday thing. Like this, even if it does end up looking beautiful, I am not going to want to do this every day because this is just going to be insanely heavy on the skin for everyday purpose. Unless, of course, you're like a celebrity or someone who's in front of the camera a lot. I'm just going to highlight. Come out wherever you are. It's here, finally. This is a little too light for me, but okay, let's see. Maybe we can work with this. Kyoko. I'm gonna take this beauty blender. This is actually just a random sponge from the store. It's not actually a beauty blender. But this works really nicely. Huh? Spoke too soon, it appears. So first I'm going to blend the highlighter, a little bit further, and then I'm going to blend these two together. You don't want to blend it all the way because you want it to be intense, because this is going to go underneath your foundation. So you want it to be a little bit intense. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a contour. I'm just going to... You definitely want to do this with a damp sponge, especially if you're using the LA Girl concealer. You want to use a damp sponge because this does dry up. This concealer does dry up pretty easily. So just a heads up. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of that Kim Kardashian picture that was going around the internet a long time ago. You know, the one where she had like a highlighter and contour on. She had her tongue out as well. See, it's a little patchy because it's drying up, but it's nothing that a damp sponge can't fix. Cool. Now, this part I'm not going to blend so much because nose contour is really specific. So I'm not going to blend it out. I'm just going to tap this in exactly the same place so that the intensity is kind of like reduced, but I'm not going to like tap it out, but I'm not going to like blend it out or whatever. Okay, this is what my face looks like right now. Now I am so excited because we are going to apply foundation on top of this, and then we're going to find out whether this works or not. Now I'm applying this with a sponge. And you see, and this, this is a beautiful representation of how dark the contour should be and how light the highlighter should be compared to your skin tone. So, yeah. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. So far, I don't really know. So the thing is that on this side, I love how this contour situation is, but on this side, it's just a lot less, The amount is not even. And because this is a contour underneath the foundation, I can't really apply further contour to even the sides up. The forehead looks pretty nice. The nose looks pretty nice and pinched in too. So this technique is nice. Like, I like how it looks, but to be honest, you could get a very similar result if you put contour on top of your foundation. So yeah, I don't know if I'm loving this technique, but I will finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back and we will see whether there really is a difference after I have done the entire face. I will be right back. Okay guys, so I have finished the rest of my makeup and I honestly am loving my contour in this. Now, up until it was just, foundation on top, I was like it's nothing special. But after I put bronzer on and I highlighted my face, it looked incredible, especially the highlighter. Like, this is the normal e.l.f. highlighter that I use in almost every makeup that I do. But it's just doing something really nice, to the highlighter. And I didn't do anything extra on my face. I powdered my face with the usual powder, used the same products. I sprayed my face with water, no other setting spray. Everything else is done exactly the same way. But it's just like, it just looks like very natural. The contour looks very, very on point, but at the same time it looks really natural. Like, my cheeks, they look like they're naturally sucked in and chiseled, and my nose looks naturally pinched in. And this technique is a real winner for me, you guys. And if I have a special event to go to, I will definitely be using this technique. However, for daily wear, this is a little too heavy, so I probably wouldn't wear it daily, but this is a great technique and it works for me. Yeah, the results are in front of you. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Have you tried it? And if you are planning on filming this, or if you have already filmed this, please comment down below because I would love to check out more videos on this, because this is such a new and exciting technique for me and I am loving this. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.